السلام عليكم guys وإذن السلامي فضلا ولا subscribe like share comment صار حقا مرة waxaan jeclahay asxaabteyda inay la socotiin sidoo kale maalmahan xataa mashquul yar baa iska jiray waa iska mashquulay waxbarasho iyo waxbaan ku mashquulay marka sidaas la socda yeah marka hadda shaxdayda sidaas ay tahay sidoo kale halkan xataa niman kale xataa ii jooga labada nin oo iconic ah waa micnaha dadkana aan idiin sheegayo waa qaar dadkii hore ah iyo qaar dadka iminka ciyaara marka sidaas la socda let's go superstar baan ciyaareynaa wax kale ciyaarna ma garanayno kanaan iska ciyaareynaa Manchester City, okay. So Ronaldo go they have good form. That's good. codkeyga hala yaabin in asxaabe anaha xoogaa yar xabeebsaday maahan wax kale ma jiraan
Doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue, quite a sight to behold. As you can see, we've already started here. So Jim, who do you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Yeah, Gabriel Jesus, he's always going to be a massive threat, Peter. And that's primarily because his movement off the ball shoots.
The breakthrough strike.
And that really is so impressive. Rashford showed real composure there. I mean, how often do you see a player do everything right until he gets into the box, only to completely kind of fluff the finish? Not him.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Hoists it forward. It's a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Bernardo Silva. Ferran Torres is onto it and can take it up. It's come through. Rijkaard. Hardly anything between the sides, and the score is 1-0. Gabriel Jesus plays it out to the wing. Gundogan. Sterling provides an outlet. Sterling. That's it! He will be mimicking himself.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that you have to do
superstar
better,
kan ciyaaraya
especially
asxaabe
from there?
qeybaha iska beddelan yahay
Davis. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. And here's Rashford. Really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner. That's a hit!
Three ball baa loo dhigay horay
There was to be
intaan isdhahayay xagga dhankaas
Oh, that's excellent
korkiisa isku
composure
go
because the keeper put
ayuu
as
u
much
dhaafay.
pressure on as he could by not committing sooner. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game. Oh, look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball was kicked and I still haven't moved. He's made sure that that won't get through. And here's Messi. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Messi!
Because this is Messi.
To begin with, to find it, I think it was a fine drive. I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. He's a bit unlucky in that instance. So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do. No complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. Messi, and he's on his way. Oh, he's got a crucial block in there. The referee brings the first half to a close. So a really good half of football, 3 goals, and just one separating them. It's kind of a hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see how the teams come out for the next period. While it remains very delicately poised, and based on the promise we've seen through the first 45 minutes of... And the shots! They've done it! And there's the goal they've been looking for. He was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at. Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting. Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat. Listen, it's up to them now how they think about it from here, because for me it's crying out for them to force the issue. It's Rashford! Some of the opposing fans are clapping that. You just have to appreciate it. Yeah, and it's not a surprise to see him elect to shoot from there, considering how much movement can be generated on the ball. Great hit. So now the difference is 3. No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming. Ferran Torres. He gets past his man. Walker has it in a wide position, so what next? Schüller gets it back. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Well played, he saw that coming.
Hadda taakalada qaar ay iyagu sameynayaan gameka aad ku arkaysiin maaha kuwa aniga aan sameeyay, waa kuwa oo ciyaartoy oo iskiisa u sameeyaan si looga dhigana ana idin tusin. That is good assist from Marcus Rashford. like Pep Guardiola celebration is very funny.
Down on the touchline, seems there's going to be a change. Ferran Torres. That'll be a throw.
sidoo kale iconiga nalii sheegayo waxa waaye ciyaartoy laga soo dhigay gameka, ciyaartoy laga soo dhigay siduu markuu dhalinyarada ahaa oo kubadda cagta ciyaari jiray siduu ahaan jiray baa laga soo dhigay sidaasaa marka iconiga looga dhigay oo iconiga macnaha sidaas waaye. waxaan u sheegaya dadkaan fahansanayn inta fahansanayn wuu fahansanayn.
Looking to break out here. Questions were asked. He's given the answers. He's had a go.
inkastoo ay ku jiraan kuwa iconiga oo iyagana oo iminka ciyaara oo laga soo dhigay.
Surely that completes the demolition. Hadn't occurred already. Yeah, by the looks of it, there may be still more to come. He snaffles his third.
maadaama
and
aniga
that
aan
earns him
jeclayn
the match
muuqaalka
ball.
inuu
Well,
dheeraado
he's been the outstanding player on the pitch.
waxaan ku soo
Devastating in front of goal. What a display.
waan
What
soo
a player.
waxaan jeclayn inaan soo koobo.
And he's shown him a clean pair of heels.
haddii aan taaban lahaa foul bay noqon lahayd laakiin maanta
Rashford. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo plays it backwards.
Ronaldinho.
He has done it. And again, a pile of
superstar waaye la socdaya
Well, I think
qaar baa beginner
now
moodi
this could be doing some real psychological damage. Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
superstarkana waa adag
Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. Your reflections, though, Jim.
man of the match Marcus Rashford 9 dhibic